Hi students, how are you all? Today's topic is liver. Yeah, we are going to discuss and getting the whole concept about liver. A liver is a simple machine. Yes, the machines which we are using in our daily life. Among all the machines, liver is the simplest one. Now, what is a liver? A liver is a rigid body capable of rotating about a fixed point. That fixed point we call fulcrum. L representing load and E is representing effort. And as I told you, this lever can rotate about a fixed point. See, it's rotating. If you take the load down, effort comes up. If you take the efforts down, then loads goes up. Now let's see what is called load arm. Load arm is the distance between load and fulcrum. And what is called effort arm? Effort arm is the distance between effort and fulcrum. Don't forget these terms, these are very important. Now, if you multiply load and load arm, and then if you multiply effort and effort arm, then both the result will be equal. I mean, load into load arm equal to effort into effort arm. This is called the principle of lever. Yes, it's a very important equation. This equation we required in the numericals also. Now let's discuss what is the mechanical advantage of a lever. Mechanical advantage of a lever equal to load by effort. Another formula is also there. Mechanical advantage of a lever equal to effort arm by load arm. I'm sure you understood the concept of effort arm and load arm. So there are two formulas of mechanical advantage of a lever. Now the SI unit of load and effort is Newton, and load arm and effort arm, the SI unit is meter. But remember, there is no unit for mechanical advantage, because mechanical advantage is just a ratio. It does not have any unit. Now we'll discuss about the different types of lever. Yes, lever are of three types. First order lever, second order lever, and third order lever. Now we'll discuss what are the differences between all the orders of lever, and also we will see the examples of those levers. Let's start with the first order lever. In first order lever, the fulcrum is always situated in between load and effort. Let's see some examples of first order lever. The first is beam balance. You know beam balance is very common in grocery shops. In beam balance, see the fulcrum, that portion, the mid portion is fixed, which we call fulcrum, and the arms of the beam balance are called load and effort, which can move. Seesaw, I'm sure you have seen a seesaw. In seesaw, the mid portion is fixed that is called fulcrum. But load and effort, where you and your friends are sitting and both the portions can move easily. Scissor is also an example of first order of lever, because the fulcrum, that is the center of the scissor, is fixed and the other two arms are moving. So these are few examples of first order lever, because in these examples we see that the fulcrum is situated in between load and effort. Now let's discuss about lever of second order. In second order lever, the load is situated in between effort and fulcrum. Now the examples are like nutcracker. In nutcracker, you see the load is in between, whereas you are applying the effort from one end. So this is example of second order lever. Another example is wheelbarrow. See the wheelbarrow. In wheelbarrow, the fulcrum is situated in the wheels of the wheelbarrow and load is in between effort and the fulcrum. Now let's discuss third order lever. In third order lever, the effort is situated in between fulcrum and load. Okay, now what are the examples of third order lever? When you are lifting a load, then your arm becomes the example of third order lever. Shovel is also an example of third order lever, because if you have seen a person is using a shovel, then you might have noticed that the person is applying the effort in the middle. So it's also an example of third order lever. Now, how to remember all these orders of lever: first order, second order, third order? Now there is a small tip for you, or you can say a small trick for you to remember the first, second and third order. Just you have to remember FLE. Okay, this order you have to remember FLE. In first order lever, F comes in middle. In second order lever, L comes in middle, and in third order lever, E comes in middle. So this is the better way to remember the orders of lever. Hope you understood the concept. We'll meet in our next video. Thank you all.